In this video we're going to show you how to fit a compression plug. This is the Procon 22, which is for RG6, WF and CT100 type cable. We also do a Procon 23 which is for CT65 type cable, which is a Sky shotgun cable. So there's two different plugs, but today we've got the 22, which is for the RG6 type cable. This plug requires the COMP ProComp 01 tool, which is a compression tool, and just to make things easier, we've got the ProStrip 01 tool, which is the one for stripping the cable back. It makes the job stripping the cable a lot easier. So if you want to know how to calibrate this tool, you can adjust it for different cables. Please check our other video on YouTube for the ProStrip 01. So you can put the cable in like that, give it a twist. Now that's going to do two things. It's going to remove the first part of the cable, like so, and it also strips off the PVC jacket at the back of it. Just be careful not to destroy too much of the braiding. Now make sure that none of the fine metal wire are touching the inner core. Very important, as this will short out the cable. That'll do two things. It'll attenuate the signal. What it'll also do is stop DC passing. So if this is coming from a Skybox or going to a master damp, it will stop them working because it won't pass the power. So it's very important to make sure that's a nice clean finish. None of the braiding is touching the inner core. So that's prepared the cable. That's the plug, compression plug. You're going to pop that straight over and push it on firmly. Push it right down, a good strong firm push. So your plug's now on. Again, make sure that none of the braiding, none of that fine wire is touching the inner core. That's your plug, and that will not. Make sure that it's on nice and solid. Now you're going to get your tool, pop the tool, the centre core fits down the little hole in the tool, and then the whole plug sits in like so. Keep that nice and flat and squeeze the tool until it can't go any further, so it's nice and flat, the tool. Release, and you'll see the plug looks slightly shorter. Let's push the collar into the plug itself. That will not come off at all now. It's a very good strong plug. One of the big benefits of compression is they're not like screw-on F plugs. These will not come off no matter what. And that's how you fit the Procon 22 or the Procon 23 compression plugs.